Introducing ChatGPT, an exceptional AI chatbot, developed by OpenAI, powered by a combination of natural language processing (NLP) and cutting-edge machine learning algorithms. ChatGPT possesses incredible abilities to generate human-like responses, engage in conversational dialogue, and provide accurate information on a wide range of topics. One of ChatGPT's most impressive features is its ability to engage in
natural-sounding conversations.
By understanding context and using its vast knowledge base, this advanced AI can respond to questions and statements just like a human would, making interactions with ChatGPT feel seamless and genuine.
ChatGPT's talent for
Text generation is invaluable for various tasks.
whether you need help,
Writing an article, creating content, or composing emails, ChatGPT can generate text on any given topic.
or subject,
Its ability to produce
high quality.
content efficiently saves time and enhances productivity.
If you have a question,
ChatGPT is ready to provide accurate and relevant answers. By processing user queries, it can deliver valuable information.
backed by its extensive,
Training on a massive data set of internet text
from general knowledge,
to detailed inquiries, ChatGPT has the intelligence to respond with precision.
and accuracy
Language understanding.
is one of ChatGPT's strong suits.
Through its training on diverse internet text,
It has developed the
ability to grasp the
nuances of language. This means that ChatGPT can understand idioms, colloquialisms,
and figurative language,
ensuring that its responses are not
only accurate but also culturally relevant and contextually appropriate. ChatGPT has seemingly limitless potential applications. It can be a valuable asset,
as a customer service chatbot,
providing instant support and assistance to users. As a virtual assistant, ChatGPT can help manage tasks, schedule appointments, and offer personalized recommendations. Its language translation abilities make it an invaluable companion for bridging language barriers. Additionally, ChatGPT excels at content creation, be it articles, blog posts, or marketing materials. Finally, for research and data analysis, ChatGPT's vast knowledge base and analytical capabilities prove invaluable. While ChatGPT's capabilities are remarkable, it's essential to remember that it is a machine learning model. Despite being highly advanced, there may be instances where it makes mistakes or provides inaccurate information. OpenAI is continually working to enhance the accuracy and reliability of ChatGPT's responses, but it's crucial to approach its outputs with thoughtful consideration. Nevertheless, with its conversational skills, text generation capabilities, question answering prowess, and a deep language understanding, ChatGPT is poised to revolutionize interactions with AI, making them more human-like, engaging, and efficient than ever before. Are you new to using ChatGPT? Not to worry. It's actually quite easy to get started. Let me walk you through the steps. Step 1. To begin, you'll need to access ChatGPT. You can do this by visiting the OpenAI website or using any online platforms that have integrated ChatGPT, such as chatbots or language translation tools. Step 2. Once you're on the interface, simply type a message or prompt in the input field. ChatGPT will then generate a text response based on your input. Step 3. Feel free to ask ChatGPT any questions you have on various topics. It will do its best to provide answers based on its knowledge. Step 4. One of the fantastic features of ChatGPT is its ability to engage in natural-sounding conversations. It can understand context and respond to both questions and statements in a realistic manner. Step 5. If you come across any responses from ChatGPT that you find incorrect,
or not up to par,
you can provide feedback. This feedback plays a crucial role in improving ChatGPT's performance and accuracy. Step 6. Now let's talk about commands. ChatGPT is able to understand certain commands that you can use
To enhance your experience, for example,
if you want to summarize a long text or article. You can use the summary command. If you need translations, simply use the translate command. And if you want ChatGPT to generate text on a specific topic,
the /generate.
command will come in handy. Step 7. Don't be afraid to experiment with different prompts and questions.
This will help you explore.
The full capabilities and limitations of ChatGPT.
Here are a few tips too.
Make your interactions with ChatGPT even smoother. When typing prompts and questions, be as specific and clear as possible. Use natural language,
And avoid using technical terms or
jargon unless it's necessary for your query.
remember that ChatGPT
Is a machine learning model, so its responses may not always be perfect or completely accurate. In conclusion, ChatGPT is a powerful tool for generating text, answering questions, and engaging in conversation. Take your time to experiment with it, and you'll uncover its amazing capabilities and potential applications. Enjoy using ChatGPT. Looking to make your daily life more efficient and productive? Look no further than ChatGPT. With its advanced capabilities, ChatGPT can be an invaluable tool in various aspects of your daily routine. Here are some of the ways you can incorporate ChatGPT into your everyday life. Writing assistance, whether you need help brainstorming ideas, creating outlines, or drafting articles and emails, ChatGPT can lend a hand in the writing process. Language translation, breaking down language barriers. ChatGPT can seamlessly translate text from one language to another, making communication easier and more accessible. Research aid, want quick answers to burning questions or seeking information on different topics? Utilize ChatGPT to expedite your research efforts. Content creation, from social media posts to product descriptions and marketing materials, ChatGPT can generate compelling text that resonates with your audience. Conversation practice. Enhance your language skills and prep for interviews by engaging in natural-sounding conversations with ChatGPT 6. Brainstorming. Need fresh ideas for your creative projects or seeking solutions to problems? ChatGPT can assist in generating innovative ideas and suggestions. Proofreading and editing. Receive valuable input on improving writing clarity and grammar, ensuring your content is polished and professional. Learning and education. Take advantage of ChatGPT to explain complex concepts or develop study materials for educational purposes. Customer service. Implement ChatGPT-powered chatbots as a basic customer support tool, enhancing your service capabilities. 10. Creative writing. Collaborate with ChatGPT to create poetry, short stories, or even entire novels, tapping into its creative prowess. As you explore these possibilities, remember that ChatGPT is a tool meant to complement human judgment and creativity, not replace it. With its evolving capabilities, integrating ChatGPT into your daily life can bring about newfound efficiency and innovation. So go ahead, explore, and discover how ChatGPT can elevate your daily routine. Are you a developer looking to streamline your coding process? Or are you a business owner searching for innovative ways to enhance your operations? Look no further. ChatGPT is here to revolutionize the world of coding and business. Let's start with coding. Have you ever wished there was a way to generate code snippets or even complete programs effortlessly? With ChatGPT, that dream becomes a reality. By harnessing the power of artificial intelligence, ChatGPT can generate code snippets and programs, saving you precious time and effort. But that's not all. ChatGPT can also assist you with code completion. As you type, this incredible tool suggests code options, making your coding experience smoother and more efficient. Say goodbye to tedious manual completion ChatGPT has got your back. Furthermore, ChatGPT is a valuable asset when it comes to code review. It can help you identify errors, suggest improvements, and optimize your code for better performance. With this AI-powered assistant, you can elevate your coding skills and produce high-quality results. And let's not forget about documentation. ChatGPT can generate documentation for your code, eliminating the need for tedious manual documentation. You'll save time and effort while ensuring your code is well documented and easy to understand. Now let's shift our focus to the business world. Customer support is a vital part of any business, and ChatGPT-powered chatbots excel in this area. These chatbots can provide 24/7 customer support, answering common questions, and assisting with basic issues. Your customers will receive timely and accurate responses, enhancing their experience with your company. Content creation is another area where ChatGPT shines. Whether you need blog posts, social media content, or marketing materials, ChatGPT can generate high-quality content for you. Say goodbye to writer's block. ChatGPT is your reliable content creation companion. Data analysis is essential for every business, and ChatGPT can offer valuable insights and suggestions. This AI-powered tool can assist in analyzing data, helping you make informed decisions and improve your business strategies. Automation is a game changer in the world of business, and ChatGPT can automate routine tasks, freeing up your employees' time for more strategic and creative work. Time-consuming tasks like data entry and email management can be handled effortlessly by ChatGPT-powered virtual assistants. When it comes to market research, ChatGPT is a valuable asset. It provides you with valuable insights and helps you understand trends, allowing your business to stay ahead of the competition and make data-driven decisions. Sales and marketing are vital for business growth, and ChatGPT can assist you in these areas too. Whether it's lead generation, email marketing campaigns, or personalized sales pitches,
ChatGPT has your back,
helping you maximize your sales and marketing efforts. And language barriers can limit your business's reach, but not with ChatGPT. This powerful tool can translate your business materials, websites, and marketing campaigns, breaking down language barriers and expanding your global reach. Business writing can be time-consuming, but ChatGPT can lighten the load. It can assist you in generating reports, proposals, and other business documents, ensuring your written materials are professional and polished. Lastly, ChatGPT can provide strategic suggestions and help with business planning. Whether it's market analysis or competitive research, this AI-powered tool can assist you in developing effective strategies and making well-informed business decisions. It's important to note that ChatGPT is not a replacement for human judgment and expertise. Rather, it is a powerful tool that complements and enhances your skills and expertise. As technology continues to evolve, explore ways to integrate ChatGPT into your coding and business workflows and unlock its full potential. Embrace the future of coding and business with ChatGPT. Are you a YouTuber looking to level up your
Content creation game?
Well, look no further than ChatGPT. This powerful tool can revolutionize the way you produce, engage, and optimize your videos. Here's how YouTubers can harness the power of ChatGPT to take their content to the next level. First and foremost, ChatGPT can act as your personal research assistant, providing valuable information and insights to help you curate top-notch video content. Whether it's the latest trends or in-depth knowledge on a specific topic, ChatGPT has got you covered. Script writing becomes a breeze with ChatGPT at your disposal. No more blank page anxiety. ChatGPT can assist in generating script ideas, outlines, or even complete scripts, saving you precious time and effort. Struggling with content ideas? ChatGPT can suggest fresh and exciting content, ideas based on trends, audience interests, and your channel's specific niche, keeping your content relevant and engaging. Say goodbye to the daunting task of crafting video descriptions. ChatGPT can take over this task, generating SEO-friendly video descriptions that save you time and effort. Accessibility is key, and ChatGPT can assist in making your content more inclusive by generating captions and subtitles for your videos. But ChatGPT's perks don't end there. It can assist with social media management, community engagement, SEO optimization, transcription services, and even collaboration with other creators. In a nutshell, ChatGPT can help maintain consistency in your content style and tone, while also saving you time by automating routine tasks. It's important to note that ChatGPT is a tool to augment and support your creativity, not replace it. Ultimately, YouTubers can use ChatGPT to streamline their workflow, focus on high-value tasks, and create more engaging content. So what are you waiting for? Empower your content creation process with ChatGPT and take your YouTube game to the next level. In conclusion, ChatGPT is an incredible AI tool that has the power to revolutionize various aspects of our lives, from coding and business to content creation and everyday conversations. ChatGPT provides a remarkable level of assistance. For YouTubers, ChatGPT offers numerous benefits that can streamline the content creation process. It acts as a virtual assistant, enabling YouTubers to generate fresh ideas and engage with their audience more effectively. With its ability to automate routine tasks, YouTubers can save valuable time and focus on high-value work that truly matters. As ChatGPT continues to evolve and improve, it is crucial to explore its vast capabilities. By experimenting with its features, we can uncover innovative ways to integrate ChatGPT into our workflows and daily lives. Whether you are a content creator, a business professional, or simply curious about AI, ChatGPT is a tool that deserves exploration. Embrace the future of AI-assisted productivity and creativity with ChatGPT. Its ability to generate human-like text, answer questions, and engage in conversation sets it apart as a versatile and invaluable tool. So take the leap and discover the potential that ChatGPT holds. The possibilities are endless.